going to end the first unit on saving. GIS only. GIS we discussed. And what is the next topic? It started last class. Yes, yield mapping. It's on the blackboard itself. Yield mapping system. So, what do you understand from GIS? The last topic, GIS. What is the purpose of GIS? So, the heading of the GIS itself, GIS and mapping system. So, what you are doing? Geographic information system. So, whatever it is taken, it is stored for what purpose? It is stored, it is retrieved, and we can use it for the analyzing, processing and analyzing the data. That means, whenever you are doing a mapping, we do x-axis versus y-axis, right? So, we are having a comparison chart between the previous crop, this one, and the current one. So, that is only the things mapping system we are doing. So, that is very much necessary to store the information, process the information, and to do the analyzing purpose, we are using the GIS thing. So, under the GIS only we have seen that photograph taken from the aeroplanes or drones or whatever may be or satellite, it does not provide a very clear picture, right? So, nowadays you see we have the digital cameras, powerful digital cameras is also fixed. Another thing is we have software also we can do it and hardware also we can do it. So, compared to the software and hardware, hardware is preferred, that means base station we are having within 2 meters, right? So, that is only we are doing. So, that is only we are saying as DGPS, right? Differentially corrected GPS. So, we are comparing the result of the directly taken GPS with the DGPS. Okay. So, that is only we have done in the DGPS. And what is the drawbacks? What is the advantage? Everything we have discussed in the last class. Right? So, last class I started with the yield mapping system. So, what do you remember in yield mapping system of the last class? Yes, what do you remember, Santosh? All are present. Yes, Sharan, can you say me what we discussed in the last class under the yield mapping system? So today's class is a continuation of the yield mapping system. Yes. Spatially distribution. See, we are doing an analysis how the crop yield, we have to do the analysis, right? Yield mapping system. So, what is your crop yield we have to see, right? The mapping system, how much, when I do this method, how much crop is yielded, how much production is yielded in the next current phase, the previous phase, I will do the comparison purpose. So, it is not fit for like vegetables, fruits and all. See, certain crops only like cereal grains only, they have developed this yield mapping system. So, for vegetables, fruits and all, they have not developed this yield mapping system. Why? Sanjay Ryan, why? So, why they have not? Why it is difficult for vegetables, fruits? Why we don't have an yield mapping system in fruits and vegetables? Get up and say. It is now done in cereal grains. Okay. So, what is the difficulty they will face in using this technology in vegetables and fruits? Yield mapping system. We are doing a comparison chart, right? How much production is done in the previous and in the current. So, why it is difficult for vegetables and fruits? Can anyone say? Yes? Fruits and vegetables. See, if you are taking a flower or vegetables, all that things, it is very difficult to count, right? It's very, very difficult. See, lot of cultivation will be there. Each and everything, if you are doing a counting, it is difficult. Yes or no? If it is in cereal grains, it is easy, right? Grains means in kg we measure it, right? But if it is case of fruits or vegetables, we have to do a lot of counting, right? Count one by one. So that yield mapping system is not, and in the fruit also, if you see, some fruit size will be very small, some fruit size is very big, right? Same way in vegetables also, right? So there is lot of differences in the size, and numbering of that is also that is difficult. The technique which we have applied for a mapping system, that is difficult. But if it is in cereal grains, it is not so, right? So like kg only we are doing that. So it is done nowadays successfully in cereal grains, not in vegetables and fruits. Okay. And then where we are doing now yield mapping system, certain things again we are doing. In vegetable seeds, if you see, it is done for potatoes, because where you will be getting the potatoes? Ground. So we are saying, listen here, potatoes we are getting from the ground. So that one by one only we can pick it. Like this we cannot pluck it, right? So for sweet potato, now they have developed the yield mapping system just for the sweet wheat and for potatoes alone. Are you able to follow under which one? Vegetables. Generally, if you take vegetables and fruits, it is difficult to do the analyzing process. Only for potatoes and sugar beet. What do you want? Huh? Sugar beet only. Now only they have developed this yield mapping systems. Then what is the technology used in the yield mapping systems? Yes? Say me, what is the technology used? What is the technology used? Huh? What is the technology used? See, last class itself I have said. Say me, what is the technology used for this yield mapping system? Yield mapping system, what is the technology used? What is the yield mapping technology you are using? Huh? Cereal grains only we are cultivating. What is the technology used? Yes? This last class also I discussed with us. Say me, what technology we are using here in yield mapping system? BRT technology. Another one, two technology is used. What is it? One is map based technology, another is BRT technology. See, what do you mean by map based system? Say me, open your mouth and say me, what do you mean by map based systems? Shakti Priya, say me, what do you mean by map based system? What do you mean by map based system? Roshan, what do you mean by map based system? Huh? What do you right? So where we started the mapping system, slowly, yes, GPS, the topic GPS we have completed, GIS we have completed, then we have come to the yield mapping system. So the last class itself I started GPS/DGPS, right? Differentially connected GPS. This technique only is used in the mapping system, right? So in the BRT technology is also used for what purpose? Yes? What is the purpose of BRT? Ram Prasad, what is the purpose of variable rate technology as in yield mapping system? Why you are using the technology? Why you are using the yield mapping system technology? Yes? That means the BRT technology in this yield mapping system. Padmavati? Why we are using? Yes? Say me. Open your mouth and say. Why? Yogeshwari. Right only, huh? Yogeshwari only, right?
Machines and equipments.
We are using, to apply the variable rate technology, we are using the equipments and machineries. How? For what purpose? For yield mapping system, why you are using that BRT technology? That's my question.
Remote sensing. Remote sensing.
Remote sensing purpose you are using the BRT technology. You are taking notes and I thought you are listening very well to the class. Next, Vasavi. Why BRT technology is used in yield mapping system? Analyze data you are using BRT technology. What is actually BRT technology? See, totally after asking the question, people are not responding correctly. See, every place the fertilizer need is not same. So it has to be variably applied. So using that machinery, listen here, when they are using, have you seen the Asian paints? See, first one if you see that, see, listen the concept here, then sit down, first listen here, see, when you are purchasing a paint, Asian paint, what color first it is? Only it is white in color. Then what is the next step? We have to choose the color. According to the color need, they are having a scale. Have you seen? And that time only they will change the color. Everything beginning it is white color. So according to the need of the color, they apply the things. So they will ask what shade you need. So according to the content only changes. If you need dark color, the content they will change more. If it is light color, the percentage mix will be less. So only certain colors are there. According to the need, that is changed. Right? Have you seen the mixing of the paint? Same way only here. How they are doing that? Same. They are using a machine to roll like this. It is coming. Have you seen in the paint shop and all? If you go and purchase, you can see that. So they are using a machine, right? It will evenly spray according to the need. So variable rate technology is not nothing but we are applying fertilizers, everything, right? Pesticide, everything is not the same. Everything need not be the same. So in each area, the distribution should be different. So according machine means automatically it will be fixed. to that area net, it will spray the pesticides or fertilizers, whatever may be. That technology is only called as variable rate technology. Okay. So see, listen here. Which method will give the advantage? Which method? Sensor based, right? So whenever you are using the variable rate technology, where you are using ground based sensor, sensors are used there, right? Sensors are used there. So which, see, mapping system is advantage or sensor system is advantage in yield mapping system? Can you say me, Kumar? In yield mapping system, we can go for the mapping system as well as sensor based system. Which is advantage? Which? Yes, right. See, sensor based technology will provide more advantage than map based system. Why? 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 Can you say why?